This is the National Museum of Nature and Science in Tokyo. It consists of two buildings, the Japan Gallery and the Global Gallery, totaling approximately 25,000 artifacts. The Japan Gallery explores the theme of the environment of the Japanese islands. The Global Gallery explores the theme of the history of life on Earth. Here are a few words from the director. Our collection is a gift from the past to the future. How can we protect the Earth's environment and its inhabitants so that nature and humans can coexist in the future? A place to cherish people, nature, and all living things.